Whoosh! Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm gonna go thrifting. I'm gonna take you around kind of like the general day and see what we can get into. So let's start the vlog. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my house. And today we're gonna go thrifting, and today we're gonna do some cool things. I gotta ship off something to eBay or from eBay, gotta ship it off. And also going to do a local bike sale like right now. So that's where the video starts. Let's take a look at the bike. What you think about that bike sale? Huh? He's down. He's totally down with it, I can tell. Here's the bike right here. About a week and a half ago, I got this at a Goodwill for 50 bucks. Should sell for around 180, 200 today. Really nice Trek 4300 aluminum. Front suspension, mountain bike, small frame, and in great working condition. So that's gonna be the first sale of the day. And we also have a game to ship off, so let's go look at that. About 6 weeks ago, I popped on like 9, some were sealed, vintage PC games. Here's Bard's Tale right here. This one sold for 100 bucks yesterday. I was $2.91 into each game. I bought like 9 that day, and I'm down to like 1 left after this one. So great sales, pretty cool stuff, and got to get this out. Hopefully it's a first class rate. What do you think? You think it will be? And by the way, if you love these vlogs and you want to see more of them, then comment down below and hit the like button too. That would be awesome. Okay, so let's get this bike sold. All right, mask up. We have, I think the prospective buyer is out there somewhere. Let's go check it out. Man, that would suck if she just rode off with it. Oh my gosh, that would suck. Just kidding. That ain't gonna happen. All right, sold that bike for 180. Those people were from the Ukraine. They were so cool. I gave them a $20 discount. It's all good. And it was the perfect fitting bike for that lady. So let's go thrifting now. First class, $5.42. The game is gonna go to. Well, yeah, let's go thrifting and see what we can find. All right, I'm out of Savers, and I have to go really quick because I'm gonna go pick up something cool that I bought from Facebook Marketplace like 5 days ago, and the winter storm prevented me from picking it up. So I'm gonna go pick it up here in like 25 minutes. Just gonna look around and see if there's anything cool to buy. Outside of that, I'm gonna be out of here in 2 seconds. I'm kind of curious to see what the thrift stores look like after a huge winter storm where everything was closed in town, you know? Thanks. All right. All right, I've got to hurry up and get this other item, but I found something really neat at that Savers. It doesn't look really neat, but it's a Howler Brothers ACL Yellow Rose Edition tank top with tags. Probably would sell between 50 and like 100 bucks. Really hard to find Howler Brothers ACL Music Festival, which Howler Brothers is an Austin company that makes outdoor clothing, and they were contracted to do some of the festival wear. And yeah, this is part of the Yellow Rose collection. Go look at ACL Festival like shirts, like button up, you know, Pearl Snap style on eBay and see what they're selling for. It will blow your mind. So yeah, this is a size large, really nice tank top. What I like about it is it has a patch on there, right? But look at the patch. I mean, but look at the pocket. See how the pocket and the actual threads are made to be continuous. Kind of like a Louis Vuitton purse, you know? Anyway, this was 99 cents. It's marked at $8.99, and they're like, oh, it's a green tag, so it's $1. I couldn't believe it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, 50 to 100 it should sell for. I think so. All right, here is the person I'm meeting for the item. Let's check it out. I don't know if I can balance this appropriately, but anyway, let's go check it out. How are you?
Hey.
So that's them right there, right?
Yeah, you want to look at them?
Yeah, I'll look at them. Cool. Let's check it out.
Yeah, so there's a front bumpers, like
cool.
Not even been on.
Yeah, looks good.
The tool to tighten the wheels, it's in there.
Perfect.
And they're old school, like when I lived in Denver, so.
Yeah, it's cool. I like it.
Yeah,
thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Okay.
All right, so these are Nike, kind of like special edition. They're called Beachcombers. Check out what they resell for on eBay, but a lot of them resell for over 100 bucks. I spent 20 on these. They're in pretty good condition, honestly. Let's take a look at these things. Yeah, really good condition. They're basically like shoes that have like plates drilled into them, right? But they go for good money on eBay. So I saw this on Facebook Marketplace, and I think it was like 35 bucks or 40 bucks. I offered 20, and they got that really cool, like kind of aqua Look to them. Look for these things. Beachcombers. They're Nikes. Isn't that crazy? Also, skates that have like Vans attached to them as well sell for big, big money. Now, you might be thinking like, how'd you know about that? Well, A, that's outdoor items to bucks. B, I'm actually getting into roller skating, believe it or not, so that's kind of fun. And so I was looking for a pair for myself and my girlfriend, and I come across stuff like this. And these are not like grail type items, but they're kind of like off the beaten path. You would never think that this would sell for over 100 bucks. $20, Facebook Marketplace. Doesn't look like it's used very much. I'm a buyer. All right, it's the next day. I know, I didn't find too many things thrifting yesterday after I shot that last clip. It was really cool because when I go to a thrift store and they have like half off tags, I never seem to find things that are half off. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like they give you this special and then you hunt around and you can't find anything that has to do with the special. Does that make sense? Whether it be color coded or, you know, I don't know. Just, it was really nice yesterday to just happen to be in a thrift store when a green tag was $1. So that brought that tank top from $9 to $1. That felt good. Do you know what I'm talking about? Comment down below. Am I weird? Today I just picked up something from my thrift store right here. This is a Saris 2 bike rack. Sells for about 50 cash in town. Popped on it for $6.48 at a Goodwill just now. Also got some snowboard boots going out right there in that eBay box. Those were $8.65 from a Savers about 2 weeks ago. They sold for $80. So I'm gonna do some work here at this coffee shop. I'm gonna get a cheddar report out too. If you're on my email list, then you know what that's all about. It's gonna be a good cheddar report too. And then I'll be thrifting later on today after my bike ride. All right, I'm at a Savers. It's like another day. I wanna show you what I'm thinking about popping on here. Just kidding. CC Filson, kind of like bomber-ish looking jacket. Really nice. And I have a 20% off coupon too. You know, I got so excited about that CC Filson jacket, and then I started inspecting it. Oh my gosh, it had so many little issues and everything. It was crazy. The zipper pulls were all destroyed. There was holes in the plaid inside the jacket, which was crazy because when I showed it on the camera, like all these like imperfections and stuff were like way behind the scenes. Anytime you're going to be messing with a jacket, make sure you put both your arms through it because there were all kinds of snags and stuff as my hand went through, which means the nylon needs to be restitched and all that kind of stuff. I passed on it. That thing would have been worth like every bit of like 300 bucks, but I had to pass on it. Now, I just came from this Goodwill behind me right here and got these La Sportiva Trango Gore-tex shoes. Gore-tex, boom, La Sportiva Trango. They are my size, missing the insoles. Pretty good condition. I think I can get it about 100 bucks for them. Spent $14 out the door for these. And if no one buys them, I'm gonna wear them because they're my size. But anyway, let's go to the next Goodwill and see what else we can find today. From this Goodwill, popped on this $4 Garneau X-Lite helmet. Pretty neat. Most important thing when you're dealing with road bike helmets is you want to get one with a ton of vents. Plus this little stickers on top, meaning it's probably either new or used once, because you're supposed to usually take those little things off, you know, before you ride. Anyway, this thing's in perfect condition, looks awesome. It's actually a 2011 helmet, but it's a cycling helmet, road bike helmet. Garneau's an okay brand, but this X-Lite, brand new, they're between like 120 and 150. I do think this one in mint condition could probably sell for around like 90 bucks or so. So long tail though, they're not selling like super fast on eBay or anything like that, but there's also like only 2 on eBay, so yeah. Decided to get into that, and plus it's extremely light. So vents, extremely light, and then check for cracks and accident damage. Giro's a good brand. Garneau's a pretty good brand. Bell is a great brand. So, you know, get out there and take a look. Maybe you can make some money on some helmets. So I'm back at the Hustler Casa, and I did find a couple more things thrifting. I'm going to show you what these things are. First of all, and I gotta find out the model of this backpack because it's really neat. It's built very well. Plus it has like, you know, some of the things that make it look like a travel / TSA type bag. So yeah, North Face, amazingly over-engineered backpack, but really built for like laptops and tablets and, you know, maybe a change of clothes. Plus it's definitely travel oriented. So I bought that for 20 bucks today. I should be able to sell it for around 80 to 100, but I got to figure out what the model number is and all that kind of stuff. And this like front layer of the bag is like water resistant stuff. So it's like basically overbuilt. It's an amazing bag. Had to pop on that, found it at a Goodwill. And then today, I also found size 40, a first gear, $12.99, which was $14.06 out the door. Perfect first gear motorcycle jacket. Doesn't look like it was even used. There's the tag right there. Inner lining, perfect. Everything is perfect on this thing. So it's technically a small, yeah, like cafe racer style. It's got that nice kind of like padding. There's like no, like anything. I don't even see a bug on here, which, you know, when you're riding a motorcycle, bugs hit you. And there's not even a single bug. I don't know if it's been used. My hair is wet, by the way. I understand that. I just came out of the shower, but I don't know if it's ever been used. This thing's pretty cool. Anyway, that's pretty much the video. I want to start another one, and we should have Jess next week on the videos as well. I know you guys love Jess. She's my best friend, or one of my best friends, and we're gonna make sure that we thrift with her again. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.